everyone, it's Miss Nickey. So today we are going to talk about the two main classrooms that we use here in Acadsoc. So number one is the Tencent classroom and the Classin. So firstly, as you can see, we're already in our tutor client application. So the only thing that we're going to do is, of course, enter the class table where our student informations are located. So one thing in order for you to determine what classroom you are going to use per student is when you look at the logo at the side of each name. So if you see a lion logo, that signifies that you're going to be using the Tencent classroom. Where meanwhile, if you look at the logo where it has a small circle and a little check, it signifies that we are going to be using Classin. So for our Tencent classroom, the only thing that you need to do is open the app, open the student information rather, and just click on the blue button that says Open Tencent Classroom, and you are already inside the classroom. But if the student chooses to use the Classin application, so it's going to be somewhat tricky because the Classin application is a different application altogether from our tutor client app that we use. So what we're going to do is we are going to enter into the student information and say Open Classin. The same as before, you click, but sometimes this prompt comes up. You can't enter the classroom until a certain time where your student is supposed to receive the class, or if the student is supposed to be having the class with you. So you have to wait 10 minutes before in order for you to enter the classroom. So if there are situations that you want to prepare for the class, you can just simply download the app itself, because it is once again an app that is separate from our tutor client. So over here we are going to look at the highlighted text. That is your Classin information. So what I like to do is I'd like to keep all my information, especially the links and also the account number, etc., in a separate sticky note, so I don't have to go inside the class table whenever I need to log in, because like I said, whenever you use the Classin, sometimes it's automatically there, sometimes the app automatically logs you out, so you have to log in once again. So this is very important, because if you are in a rush, most especially if you are transferring from one classroom to another, what's going to happen is you will be late in entering, and the teachers in Acadsoc know what happens when we are late. So you have to enter your information in advance. So this would help if you keep a sticky note on the side with all your important information in order for you to enter directly to each classroom. So thank you so much for listening, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to have more tutorials just like this, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for the support you are giving me. I really appreciate it. Goodbye.